Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport. Today from Guaranty RV Super Sanders, we're going to take a look at this is a Coachmen Freedom Express Blast. It's a 283. These guys have Asdale aluminum frame, lightweight. Come on inside, we're going to take a look at the inside. Hey guys, on the inside here, there's a little storage when you walk in the door. The fridge is here, it has the bigger fridge. This has the bigger air conditioner. There's a nice little table in here, lots of lights, lots of storage along the top. This is ducted with LED lights all over the place. Nice switches. It's got the double beds in the back with the party deck. It's got a couch that makes into a bed. You got a TV in here, the oven, microwave, big fridge, nice sized bathroom. When you walk up in the front, there's a nice walk around bed with cabinets on both sides and the top. There's also a window up front. You get a lot of light. There's a lot of things we can talk about on this. Okay guys, on the outside here, I can't stress enough, this has aluminum frame, plywood floor, and Asdale. Asdale's important. Has the front cap with the window. This is a non-slide unit. It's lightweight but not cheap. There's a spot up here to put your generator and your batteries. Very clean, nice unit. Give me a call. My number's on the screen there. You can text me, you can email me. Hey guys, text me. My cell phone number is 541-515-0764.